Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the stoves that I made. And I got inspiration from this stove. So, as you can come take a closer look, basically what this stove does is as the hot air heats up the inside wall of the stove, it creates a suction, which sucks in colder air from the bottom and then shoots it out these holes along the top, basically efficiently burning off the smoke and other wasted stuff. So, this is the first replica that I tried to make of it. And as you can see, it looks way over-engineered, and that's because it really is. So, much like the bigger stove, it has the small holes in the bottom, and then the little holes on the top to shoot out the air into the stream. However, main problem with this was that there were so many parts of it, they kept on breaking and getting clogged with soot. So I made a much simpler version. This is my second version, and whilst my other one had about 30 individual parts in order to make it, this one only has 2 parts. Just a bigger can, which I turned over, cut a hole in the top, just big enough for the smaller can to fit in. And while it worked much better than the other one, still I had a problem with these little holes along the bottom getting clogged with soot. So, in my final version, this one, it's relatively the same design as those. However, I added a spot to feed in fuel from the bottom so that it doesn't get clogged with soot. So I'm going to show you building a fire in this one. So, the first thing you need to do is get your fire started. So, here's my fire starter, and the wood that I'm using is pretty seasoned kindling. So, if you come take a closer look, so I strike the match and then light the fire starter. So, after the fire starter is going, I will put it inside my stove. So, as you can see there, the fire starter is going. Now, I'll take some of my wood and slide that in there. And as you can see, it burns very nicely. Basically, it works as a small little fire pit to keep your fire off of the ground, to keep it from burning whatever vegetation you're building your fire next to. And it works to push air into the flames so that you can get a much hotter burn. If you want to cook anything on this fire, what you would need to do is take some thick wire mesh and build like a little circular thing around the top to set your pot on, and this will boil water very fast. They're great for backpacking stuff because all they're made out of is just simple tin cans, and that makes them very light. Thank you for watching my video.